Hey guys, welcome to Tech Overloaded. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an amazing CV that will attract the employer. Go to Google Chrome. Okay, I have already opened it. Here's my Tech Overloaded channel. In this video, we will use the ChatGPT and Canva. You can, if you don't know what is ChatGPT, you can see my tutorial here. Okay, now let's get to the work. Go to canva.com. Now search here for resumes. I will choose any design. Okay, let's click on it. Customize this template. Okay, in this panel you will get more designs. You can choose. You can also choose from here. I think that's pretty good. Okay, let's zoom in it. You can change anything from here. As you can see, here is a dummy text saying Lauren Mipson. Let's get its amazing introduction here. Go to ChatGPT. Now type here, give me amazing introduction for a CV of software engineer. Now it will gives you the amazing introduction which will also attract the employer. Okay, wait for it. It may take some time. Okay, now it's generating. It's an AI tool which I have already make a tutorial on it. You can watch on my channel. Okay, it's generating a little bit slow, but it is generating. And I may include one thing, that a concise and good introduction is the best eye-catching introduction, and it may not exceed more than 5 lines. And I think these 4 lines will be enough. And in the brackets you have to change the position or the numbers you want. Copy from here. Now you can paste it here. Okay, now delete it. Now it's overlapping, as you can see. And you can easily change images from here. Anything you want, and any changes you want, you can change it here. Okay, let's change image. Okay, any you want to change your address, you can. Anything you want to change your name, you can. And for this is the bar, and you can drag and drop and change it. As you can see, you have to straight, and I will drag it to the 100%. Anything you can do it, and after that you can download it. Download, and you should download your CV in your PDF form, your resume. Now click on download your design on premium content. It is showing that image you used is of premium content. Okay, now we click on this 3 dots and download a free watermark draft. I have changed the image and it will not watermark in my CV because I have changed that image which was in the premium edition. Now let's see. Here you can see with no water, there's no watermark. You can see with no watermark your CV is now ready. If you like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.